Hey, hey. Hello, YouTubers. Hello, friends. Everybody, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Welcome to my YouTube page again. This is your boy, Manny Sam. Cook and dance with Manny. Tonight, I'm preparing a delicious meal which leads us into the Super Bowl. You know, tomorrow we have the Patriots and the Eagles playing. So, it's a great day for chicken wings. So, guess what I'm making? Come on, check it out. I have chicken wings here, and what I'm making tonight is I'm gonna divide this into two. One will be fried chicken wings, and the other one is gonna be baked chicken wings. So we're hungry. I'm gonna make something tasty. Now, to begin, so what we have is a hot sauce. You can buy any hot sauce you want. I have Louisiana hot sauce here. I have paprika. I have Lorry steak salt. Is really good for seasoning. Then I have some baking soda. I have flour, all-purpose flour. You need your olive oil. I have some seasoning and salt. And of course, we don't forget the Doritos and your dip. We're about to start. First, I am going to divide the chicken drum from the wing. So all you do is cut in the middle and save those. Some people like it, some don't. And make sure you cut it in the middle. It's so soft when you point your knife in the middle here. So you guys see, we're taking this out. Follow me on Instagram too, is MannySam75. I'm on Snapchat, is Twitter. Twitter is MannySam. So this is the first half that we got. Oh, before doing that too, you have to set your oven on. I've set the oven to 400 degrees. So, and then I have the deep fry here. The deep fry is also ready. It's around 350 degrees, so it's quite hot. Be careful when you are on the deep fryer. Now, we have the second one for the bacon, and that I'm gonna keep some with a wing and some without it. That's with a drum. So this is a drum, and then that's the wing. So let's divide this. This is gonna be the first one that I'm gonna deep fry, and then the one I'm making next to go for the bacon. Hey. I'm gonna set this aside from the meantime. My hands are washed, but since it's chicken, we have to be careful for it. We don't want any contamination, cross-contamination, so I'm gonna wash this quickly. So this one, I'm gonna put it here because we want it dry up. Dry this. The one I'm gonna bake, I'm gonna dry. So dry them. I am gonna use flour. I'm using a half a cup. This is half a cup of flour. I'm gonna use half a cup and a little bit. Is this one. So I have a little mixture of paprika. And we have 1 tablespoon of paprika. I have some seasoned salt. I have black pepper here. Then I have roasted garlic seasoning. Also a little bit of that. Ooh. And now I'll pour the flour on it. Put it in a bag. Boom. Add the chicken. Boom. And all we do is now shake it, seal it, and roll it. I'm going to take them off and they will be ready to go in the deep fryer. So I'm just putting it in here. I'm going to put the drums below first because you know the heat needs to go inside. You dip it in. It's going to sit in there for like 7 minutes. Back to the one I'm gonna bake in the oven. I'm looking at the time. I'm giving it 7 to 8 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out. Now we're about to prepare the one I'm gonna be baking. Everything is gonna be hot wings, but this is a special form for those who are watching their weight, don't want the fried stuff. Yada 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 yada, whatever. Come on here and let me show you how to do these quick bake wings. There we go. I'm gonna dry it off again, just like I did the first one. I'm gonna dry it off. Dry the little baby like a kid. Dry them, oh, little kitty. Beat them up. Okay. Yep, so as you can see, they're all dried. I'm gonna use some baking powder. 1 baking powder. Paprika. You can use any sauce, any seasoning you want for it. I have this here too. This 1 tablespoon. The salt. Then I'm gonna add some pepper, black pepper. This is black pepper. I'm adding some black pepper to it. And I'm gonna mix this. So I have this here, so you guys can see. Pour this on it. Oh, mix it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, Money, get it together, Money, get it together. Look at this. Look at how it comes out. And then I'll add a little bit of olive oil. So a little bit of olive oil. Y'all see the little pinch of olive oil. I'm gonna give it some little room to breathe. Give them some room to breathe. So this, like that, this. Then my wings here, throw that in here. 1 more wing. Oh, you better fit in. The oven is gonna go about 20 minutes. And then I'll flip them over again for another 10 minutes. So we need 30 minutes to get it cooked. So here we go. Oven is under 350 degrees to 400. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this place and then we will come back when food is ready. I'll be checking the chicken. Ooh. So we have about 2 minutes. Because you want the inside of the chicken to be cooked. The outside can be crispy, but you need the inside to be well cooked. Chicken needs to be of a temperature of 165 degrees. It's about 20 minutes of cooking. I'm gonna flip them over, if I can, to the other side, gently. So I'm putting it back in for another 10 quick minutes and under 400 degrees. This should be ready. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our chicken wings, the fried chicken wings ready. I will be preparing, and let me show you how crispy and so juicy it is inside. Look at this. Oh, oh, look at that. And then I'm gonna make the sauce. You can add a little hot sauce right now. And let's have a taste. Let the chef taste the food. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Okay. Just a little cube of butter. So it's your choice. You can use Louisiana hot sauce, or this is a new hot sauce I picked up at the grocery store. It's called Red Hot Original. Frank or Frank's, that's the name right here. I'm gonna use a half cup. And let the fire be medium low. Can beat this hot sauce. Voila! So I have my fried chicken wings with a Frank's hot sauce and some plantains. This is awesome meal for Super Bowl. Is the one dipped in the hot sauce already? We have some dipping sauce here. This is what I'm using ranch for. So the baked chicken wings is ready. We have it here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Can put some of this in the sauce. This our dip. We have some ranch, or you can use the blue cheese. So this is a baked chicken. This is the fried chicken. I have the hot sauce here using Frank's hot sauce with some plantain. We have some Doritos here. And this is also the fried chicken, but I just put it in the hot sauce. I dip it in the hot sauce. Let me show you how the baked chicken dipped in the hot sauce look like. It's coming. So here is the baked chicken dipped in the hot sauce. So I have baked chicken dipped in the hot sauce. I have baked chicken here without any hot sauce. It comes with blue cheese. Then I have fried chicken here. It's like a mix of chicken wings and drums and plantain with the hot sauce. Then the fried chicken that has been dipped in the hot sauce with some Doritos and some ranch. Thanks everybody for tuning in, watching my YouTube video. And I don't know who you're rooting for tomorrow. I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to reveal who I'm rooting for Super Bowl tomorrow in Minneapolis. We have Eagles and we have the Patriots. So is it going to be, I think this food is for Eagles. And then this side is for the Patriots. So we shall see who is going to win. And you know my favorite. Thanks. Subscribe, share, comment. I appreciate everybody who tune in to watch my YouTube video. May God bless you guys all. Watch.